This takes us to the Instant Smiles screen.
As the name suggests, it allows us to perform instant chairside simulations. It's a powerful motivational tool, especially useful for cosmetic cases, full mouth rehabilitations, orthodontic simulations, and even dentures. You can adjust the position of the smile template using the green and blue control points. Aim for the best possible fit, based on the size and alignment of the patient's original teeth.
Use the facial midline and canine lines as guides for accurate placement. You can adjust the template transparency using the opacity slider. This makes it easier to visualize the original teeth and helps in proper placement. Adjust the background by using the background opacity slider. The Match Color slider automatically adjusts the template shade to match the patient's original tooth and gingival color. Increasing the slider value enhances the match. The color is auto-detected using AI, but you can also customize the area from which the shade is picked by moving the rectangular boxes. Press the Save Color button when done. The DTS PRO library offers a wide collection of natural smile templates suitable for all types of cases. Press Show All to display the full list. You can then save your favorites for quick access. To further customize the size and shape of the templates, click on the Scale button.
To modify the width, use the buckle corridor option.
If you want to adjust the width on only one side, then deselect the Symmetry option and adjust the right or left buccal corridors.
With stretching, the entire template can be made wider or narrower.
The height can be adjusted using the vertical slider. The curve of SPI can be adjusted as needed to better match the patient's natural arch. Go to the Preview window by clicking the Preview button.
By clicking the Adjust button, you can modify the tooth shade and brightness. Increasing the whiteness slider will make the teeth whiter.
Increasing the lip smoothness helps blend the template with the lips, creating a more realistic simulation. Gum color can be adjusted as needed. For a more natural-looking simulation, you may want to slightly reduce the template opacity. Pressing the play button generates a video simulation showing the before and after transformation. The before-after compare image, along with the text, can be exported in JPEG or PNG format.